Hi viewers, welcome to my PowerShell tutorial series, and this is the part 1 of the series. And today I'm going to talk about some basics of PowerShell, like how do we create files, how do we create directories, how we use PowerShell commandlets, what are variables, pipelines, and how do we use help on PowerShell, and some error handling basics. So what is PowerShell? Microsoft PowerShell is a universal automation, scripting, and development language, and PowerShell was created to bridge the gap between the scripting, automation, and operations. What it means is that you can automate the task from the scripting even without having to learn a computer language. It is very useful for system administrators who are lack on background in software development. PowerShell not only do a simple automations on our daily activities, but also provision a fully configurable server forms. Microsoft has made the PowerShell as an open source recently, and now it is a cross-platform scripting language. Basically what it means is that you can run a PowerShell on any OS like Linux, Mac OS, even on ARM based. So let's just start the fundamentals. Click on the start button and then type PowerShell, and from the options you can see Windows PowerShell. We'll try to do some arithmetic operations in PowerShell. We'll try to do some additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions in PowerShell. We'll start by adding 1 plus 1, which you will get the result, and then we'll try subtraction, 1 minus 1, and you get the 0 output, and we'll try 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, and the output is 15. And we'll try to do some multiplications, 1 into 5, and the result is 5. And we'll do some divisions, 25 by 5 is 5. And apart from this, we can also do some square root functions. For that we need to use some .NET function like math colon square root of 44. You get the result as 6.6. And you can also do the power of functions, like you can use the same .NET function math colon we'll try 2 to the power of 10. For that you need to type POW 2 comma 10, and then there you will get the result. You can use clear host command, or you can simply type clear to clear your screen so that you can have a fresh console. Now that you have learned a simple arithmetics, now we'll try to create some files using new item command. Type new item command and specify the path dash path, and then type your file name /PowerShell/ text 0005.txt. that is the file that I wanted to give, and just press enter. As you can see, it has created a test 0005.txt under the :/PowerShell. You can use the simple new item command to create files and directories. Let's just say if you wanted to add a text to that particular file, so just simply type the name and then add a value option to that, and just under double quotes just mention whatever you wanted to do. In my case, I'm just trying to add hello world as a content for that 0006.txt. As you can see, the file text 0006.txt has been added, and the length you can see the bytes has been added. To see if the content exists or not, you can use the type command to view the file. Simply type c:/PowerShell and then test0006.txt. As you can see, the hello world has been added to that particular file. You can also add the content by simply putting two double quotes and then typing the file name will also allows you to create an empty text file. I'll just type test0007.txt, and as you can see that since there is no error, the file has been created. To verify whether the file has been created, you can simply use the getChildItem command, which is similar to the dir command in old shell. So just type getChildItem c:/PowerShell, and you can immediately see the contents of that particular folder. As you can see, the test007.txt has been added. If you wanted to add a content to it, you can do the similar kind of thing, like by adding double quotes. I'm just trying to put some content, hello world test007, and then greater than c:/PowerShell/test0008.txt. It will just add the particular content to that particular test.0008. As you can see, the length of that file has been increased to 42 and the file has been created. You can use the simple type command to view the particular file. So in my case, like c:/PowerShell/test0008.txt, and the content has been added. You can also use getContent command to view the file contents, like by typing get-content and then the path of the particular file. In my case, it is test0008. There's a commandlet called setContent commandlet, which allows you to add text to a file or replace the existing one. Typing setContent, and then in my case I'll try to use the test0005.txt as my path. So c:/PowerShell/text0005.txt, and then oops, sorry, I just missed my value, so I'll just use the value option and then type the content. In my case, I'll try to show hi PowerShell and then press enter. This will add the content as well. You can use the getContent command again to just verify whether the file content has been added or not by simply typing the path of the file and then press enter. And there you can see that hi PowerShell has been added. Let's clear the screen and we'll try to run few more basic commands. The getDate commandlet gets the date and time object, and getDate uses the computer's culture settings to determine, and the result will be displayed on the console. To simply view the command, you can use the getDate command, which will display you the date, month and year and the current time. If you wanted to see on the U format, you can simply type getDate with the parameter U format -U format, and then I used the format %D for day of the month and for %M for month number and %Y for the year. and accordingly the output will be displayed. We can also create a timestamp format, date and time. For that you can simply type get date with an option format and with a parameter O. The time of the format you can use, this type of format you can use for creating folders, folder names with the date and timestamp. Earlier we have learned that cd command will let you change directory to specified directory. Well, we can also use the set commandlet, which sets the working location to a specified location. Let's just say you wanted to change the current directory to c:/Windows. You can type set -location with path c:/Windows, which will let you change the current working directory to c:/Windows. You can change back by simply typing the set location and then type c:/PowerShell, which will change back to your demo code. If you wanted to know the current working location, you can use the get location command, which is much like pwd command. You can use this get location command to get the current location at runtimes, such as in functions or in scripts. This is one of the useful commands that you may need to remember. Let's learn about getChildItem commandlet. The commandlet will list all the files and folders within a folder. It's similar to dir in the old school command console or ls in Unix shell. For example, you wanted to display getChildItem with path parameter as c:/Windows. Will display all the files and folders under the Windows folder. Note that the current working directory is c:/PowerShell folder. Let's just say you wanted to display only the files which are having a .exe under Windows folder. You can simply run the command getChildItem c:/Windows/start.exe. Will display all the files which are having .exe. Now let's just say that you wanted to display all the files except executable files. You can just run the command with .exclude option. Just type getChildItem c:/Windows start.star/exclude start.exe. Will exclude all the files which are having .exe and will display all of the remaining files. Now we'll try to learn about pipelines and try to use commandlets that we have learned so far to display the desired output. Let's just execute the command first. getChildItem c:/Windows pipeline sort item, and we will try to use descending order. Here the sort object command sorts the object in descending order based on the object property value. If sort properties are not included in the command, PowerShell uses the default sort properties. What really happening is that each command that was piped will pass its output to the next command in the pipeline. Using the pipeline reduces the effort of using a complex command and makes it easier to see the flow of working of the commands. We will continue our PowerShell basic sessions on our next part of our video. Thanks for watching.